Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll see how we can easily download and install Anaconda. So Anaconda is one of the world's most top data science platform, which is also distribution of Python, our programming language. So with Anaconda platform we can install different packages like Spyder and Jupyter Notebook and others so that we can work on our Python and data science project. So now let's see how to download Anaconda. So what you need to do is go to google.com, just type Anaconda here. You can see the official website of Anaconda. Click on this link. Now in this web page you can see the pricing. Click on pricing. So we will need the free version, so click on the free. Here you can see that you can easily download, so I want to download it for my Windows, so I'll click on Windows option. And here I have a 64-bit graphical installer, so I'll download this one. So it's quite a heavy file, so don't worry about it and give some time to download it. So my Anaconda exe file is about to download. It's 594 MB file, so it can take some time on your laptop depending on your internet speed. So it's done. Just click on open when done. Please wait. Click on next. Click on I agree. So if you want to install it for just you, you can choose this just me, or if you want to download it for all users, just click on all users. For now I just want to download it for just me, so we'll just click on this and next. So if you want to download it on C drive, just pick up a path for your laptop, or if you want to download in somewhere else, just click on browse and you can select your folder. So I'll download it in users in C drive. Now click on next. So if you haven't downloaded Python ever in your laptop, so you can click on that add Anaconda 3 to my path. So I'm going to check this. I'll click on install. So here you can see that my Anaconda has been downloaded and installed. I'll click on next, next, and finished. Just cross this for now. Now you can see that your Anaconda has been downloaded. So what you need to do is just type Anaconda here. Here you can see that we have Anaconda prompt and Anaconda navigator. So just first click on Anaconda navigator. So here's our Anaconda navigator. Here you can see that we have already pre-downloaded Jupyter Lab, Data Lore, and Jupyter Notebook. If you want to install RStudio, you can easily download it from here. You can even download PyCharm and Spyder. So for now I'll close this, then I'll go to Anaconda prompt because I want to open Jupyter Notebook. So in the Anaconda prompt I will just simply write Jupyter Notebook, press enter. So here you can see that my Jupyter Notebook has been opened. So what I'll do is, so in desktop, I'll create a new folder. And now I'll open my file, Python 3. So here you can write your program. Let's say I'll type 3 plus 2, shift enter. Here I'll get an output of 5. So I'll write a is equals to 3, b is equals to 5, and now I want a plus b, shift enter, gives me an answer of 8. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you can even learn more, so please do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends as well. Thank you.